What a smart rapper gang. In this video, okay, whatever, I'm gonna teach you about something that'll change your entire mindset and help you understand. And this is gonna be for life, but especially when it comes to music. And it's one of those things where you know it, but when you hear somebody else say it and then explain it, it just like changes everything for you. And this happened to me, so I wanna share that with you. I wanna help you understand and get over obstacles, become a gymnast for obstacles, just flip right on over those. All right. So if you're in a position right now, you don't feel like your career is moving forward, you're having issues in life, girl problems, money problems, any type of problems, I'm going to help you resolve those in this video. So let's go ahead and talk about it. I want to state this really quick, and this is the sentence I want you to repeat to yourself all the time. The war is all mental. The war between you and the world, the war between you and your music, the war between you and school, the war between you and money, the war between you and anything. It's all mental, okay? That means it's a battle, it's a fight. You can win. You can always win, okay? You can win. I don't know, I said it like I was about to kung fu chop your ass. But it is all mental. It's all it is. You realize that battle between everything and all the struggles in your life, it means that battle happens in your mind. And the stronger, your artillery is, the more ammunition you have. And the ammunition could be so many things metaphorically. Yes, sir. The more that you have, the stronger your willpower, the stronger the army is in your mind. Okay, is the best way to put it. The more powerful you are against whatever you're battling, whatever war it is. And this could be you learning information on something such as the music. You go into war in the music industry, the war is mental. It's the knowledge that you absorb and you apply, that you execute on. But first and foremost, there's the war with yourself to be able to even apply that. So it's basically like you're consistently, I'm just off the top of my head, you're consistently basically like in World War I, right? It's just World War I, and World War I is you fighting yourself. You're battling yourself to win, okay? And as soon as you overcome that, then the war becomes a different type of battle, a different type of war, and you go to war with everything else. But the main war, the first one you need to get over, is the one with yourself, the hurdles, the doubts, the things that you tell yourself you can do and you can't do, and when I say can, it means like things that are negative or bad, like self-sabotage things. A lot of people tell ourselves we can't do that. And we have to remove that entire process from our life, the thought process of thinking we can or can't. As soon as those thoughts come to you, you need to have the confidence to be like, that's not true. Yeah. Because for years, I would drive myself into a depression. I'd have a thought on this over here, and it would bounce to another idea, another negative.
Damn,
like, I can't
son.
do this. I also can't do this. If I can't do this. And it only takes one of those things to jump you into that feeling, and you know what I'm talking about. So the war is all mental. It all begins every day that you wake up. It all starts with this. And I only make this video so that you can fortify yourself, so that you can put your walls up, make them even stronger. And remember that it's every time you have one of those thoughts, the war is all mental, and you're a winner. You're somebody who wants to be a champion. You are a champion deep down, but you're gonna show the world that you're a champion. I want you to think about that every time you wake up, every time a negative thought hits you. Thoughts tissue. Every time a negative thought hits you, every time something negative seems to hit you, that war needs to come into play. Remind yourself you will not lose, and then remind yourself of the silver lining in every situation. Something bad may have happened, but that's okay because this is gonna happen. This happened because of this. You know what I'm saying? So wake up every day knowing you're going to war. Makes it kind of a game. Wake up every day, and any situation that comes about, just know that you can beat it. And that in order to win the war, in order to survive realistically and thrive, you're gonna have to win these wars in your life.
Yes, sir.
Like, that's just life. We're battling consistently, always. Small battles, big battles. And you may have lost a lot of battles already, but those were battles. Now you're in war, okay? That was corny as hell, but it sounded good in my head before I said it out loud. But still, you understand what I'm saying. All right, take that with you. Apply it. Think about it. You're a champion. You just gotta prove it to the world. And it all starts with overcoming that mental block and winning that mental war. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hope this helped you guys out. Ladies and gentlemen, whoever, not judging nowadays especially, but you guys, keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.
Pockets already fed, I ain't gotta fudge the numbers. Could've made it, then I put in 2 extra summers. So high up now, all I see is buses. I even step outside. We got a jumper. I ain't even in the type of up. Shooting for the biggest in the game. Out of 300, so small, I can't even try to be dumb. If I give you my numbers, probably missing the number. Oh, you wanna hate on me, we'll get in line. I'll be fine. People treating me like working all the crime out of time. I'm like, why you even mind? You got no mind, do you mind? That's why love and trust in me so deep that shit get hard to find.